Hi everyone, if you've installed the beta version of Microsoft Edge and now want to remove it completely, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to properly uninstall the Edge beta build and switch back to the stable version of Microsoft Edge or any browser you prefer. To do that, press the Windows key and I together to open the Settings app. Go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Microsoft Edge Beta. Click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Uninstall. Once the process finishes, restart your computer to complete the removal. If you still want to use Microsoft Edge but prefer the stable version, you can reinstall it from the official Microsoft Edge website. Just download the standard version, install it, and you'll be back to the regular release without any beta issues. And that's it. You've successfully removed the beta version of Microsoft Edge from your PC. This will help keep your system clean and stable, especially if you prefer not to deal with experimental updates or features.